Bam!
Good morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day at our camp. Oh, let's see who's up yet. Hey, look who's awake. Am I the last one up?
Oh yeah.
Dang.
Chris, you need to turn that around so they can see your hair, because you've done a fabulous job with your hair this morning.
Is it good? How about the 12-day-old scruff?
I'm working on that myself.
Coffee? And you got some tea going on. Where's my tea? Where's my tea? Woohoo! What do you know?
It was not as cold as last night, or the night before last, so that was good. Slept pretty well.
It was all good till about 5:30 when it started to rain, but it has stopped, so that's a good thing.
Just enough to keep the dust down for us today.
I don't think it was enough. But the best part about it is Chris has got a good start on cleaning our motorcycles after he dusted them yesterday.
Man, that was an awesome campsite. Jefferson at the Heritage Family Campgrounds was fantastic. Just the right distance for us to make it last night. Got a good night's rest, a little chilly, but very comfortable. We had a blast, and now we are back on the TransAmerica Trail heading west. We'll see how far we get tonight. Woohoo! Unbelievable! We've been on the TransAmerica Trail probably 30 minutes, and we jumped on this little country road that's got some beautiful twisties running through some patches of trees, and then back up over some farmland, and then goes down into another valley with some more trees. It's just been gorgeous. It is overcast, very gray skies, and we just went through a tiny little bit of just sprinkly, drizzly stuff, but not nearly enough to stop and put on rain gear.
What are you doing? You're stopping at an intersection.
Damn fashion break.
Hey, that speaks to the volume of traffic on this road that I have the confidence to stop at a stop sign, knowing that there probably won't be a car along for another 30 minutes.
Oh, look at the sign right here. This is my favorite sign in the world.
Twisties.
Just beautiful. I mean, look at the canopy of trees. This is amazing. Oh, this is cool. Check out this little bridge. Wow.
Oh no! Good catch.
That's like a snot right there.
Yes, sir. Whew. Nice try.
That was cool, though.
Yep.
You got your heart rate up, didn't you? You could have tried it without your luggage on, you know.
Oh, that might have been helpful.
Now, why would I do that? I didn't drop it. That's all that matters.
Sweet.
That, to me, was a victory.
This turned out to be a fun morning, isn't it?
Man, this is awesome. We can't slip through? Oh, man.
But everybody's not on off-road motorcycles.
Just drive through here already. We've had to call the police.
Is it because
Is it because the DOT guy's there?
He's under me, so it's not because of him. Yeah, we've had to get the law enforcement involved.
We're doing this thing called the TransAmerica Trail. It goes from the west coast to the east coast.
No, the East Coast to the West Coast.
Well, it goes both ways. So anyway, this was the road. So we were just trying to stay on it.
I let you guys. Y'all come back behind, please.
You are the man.
You will never see us again.
Literally, we're just coming from the ocean and we're just going, so we won't come through again.
All right, go ahead, Chris. Make friends everywhere.
You are the man. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Awesome. Hey, it's all in how you ask.
It's all about being nice, isn't it?
Oh my God. Yeah, we could have been an ass about it and he would have just told us to F off.
That was very nice of him, I thought.
Oh yeah.
Well, cool. That ought to make the video. Here they come.
Right. Get us some food.
What is this place anyway?
You been here before?
No, it's our first time.
Look around.
Oh, we will.
Barbecue salad.
How long you been here?
49 years.
Very cool.
Glad to have y'all look around. I've collected these signs since I started out on antique.
Wow. That's amazing.
What a great place for a lunch. We stopped at Gary's Barbecue Diner, and we actually got to meet Gary. And he's going to survive this coronavirus and keep on going. That's awesome. We really enjoyed it, and now we're back on the TransAmerica Trail and heading west.
So we're going for the drone footage now, eh?
Yeah, we're going to give it a try.
Sweet.
Time for some gratuitous drone footage.
Tell him when you want him to go. All right. Come on.
Well, sports fans, so far today, Trinity is leading the pack. Zebra is coming in second. Africa Twin over here, man, he's not even in view. What's up? We're stopping for a quick afternoon coffee. Where are we?
Sweet tea.
Sweet tea.
Where are we?
Yeah,
Beats me, dude. We're at the coffee house.
somewhere in the middle
Lenore,
of
I
nowhere.
think it's called. Lenore.
Lenore.
South of Lenore.
And how do you spell Lenore?
Starts with an L and ends with an R.
It's with an R. It's French. Lenoir. L-E-N-O-I-R.
O-I-R, but it's pronounced Lenore.
Lenore, North Carolina. Homer the Old.
Oh, look. There it is. Coffee house and waffle shop. Awesome. How much further till our campsite?
What'd you say, an hour?
1 hour.
1 hour?
1 hour.
Is that Google or is that the way we go?
I don't think Steve's gonna make it.
25 miles.
Steve's gonna sleep right there.
I am comfortable. Thank you very much.
It was overcast this morning, but it turned out to be a really beautiful day. Nice and warmish.
Yes, it is warm.
Warmish. And yeah, we're making good time. So we're gonna get to our campsite. It's gonna be awesome.
Pisgah National Forest.
Look at Chris. There he is. He's shifting mounts. He's a professional.
perfect day for the road. The blue sky will take us home. We'll take it easy, we'll take it slow. It's a good day for the road.
Betsy's Old Country Store. We made it. Yeah, so what happened with the police officer?
So he just asked me what I was doing sitting in the road.
Yeah?
And I said, well, there's a guy up there, he's taking pictures, and there's a guy back there, he's taking pictures, and I'm sitting in the middle waiting for him. You tell people to come on around here. I went, no problem, officer.
Part of being a trio of photographers. What do you say, Steve?
How'd you find this place?
Luck.
Luck? Lots of Googling?
Lots of Googling and lots of reviews.
Nice.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Look at that.
Very eclectic. Middle of nowhere. Alright, we just made it to our campground at Betsy's place here. There's the man Bruce.
Hi, everybody.
How long have you had this place?
I've been here for 30 years.
Wow.
30 years.
What was the inspiration?
My father was one of the very first Green Berets in history.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is where they trained, between that white building across the street and Limbo Gorge. It's just like the Central Highlands of Vietnam.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, Daddy brought me up here when I was 5. I've been coming back all my life.
Wow. And now you're sharing it with everybody else.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Sorry about my COVID haircut. Over there.
Hey, look at this guy's haircut.
Yeah, really. Yeah, that's because I do it myself.
Well, we appreciate you letting us stay. This is awesome.
All y'all coming on the TransAmerica Trail, stop at Betsy's no matter what.
Absolutely. We agree. What you doing over there, Steve?
I am a hunter-gatherer.
What are you doing over here?
I make fire.
Steve is the fireman, and I am the cook tonight.
And I am the videographer, apparently.
Yes, absolutely. So we are having scrambled eggs with lots of fresh veggies. Woo, it's gonna be good. This is called teamwork.
It's fluffy a little bit, so it doesn't burn